How to write a job application letter. My name is Randy Lauren. If you're looking to land your dream job, one of the first steps is crafting a compiling job application letter. But how do you make yourself stand out for the rest? Down the key elements of winning job application letter. First, let's talk about why a job application letter is important. This letter serves as your introduction to potential employer. It highlights your qualifications, demonstrates, and persuades the employer to consider you for the position. Think of it as your personal sales pitch. Now, let's break it down into 5 main sections. First, header. Headers includes your contact information, the date, and the employer's details. Second, salutation. Salutation address the letter of the hiring manager if possible. Third, opening paragraph. Opening paragraph state the position you're applying for the express. Fourth, body paragraph. Body paragraph highlights relevant skills and experience that match the job requirements. And the last, closing paragraph and signature. Wrap up with a call action and sign off professionally. Here are some essential tips to make your letter shine. Keep it concise and to the point. Use clear professional language and avoid jargon. Tailor your letter to each job by incorporating keywords from the job posting. Proofread, spelling, or grammar mistakes can leave a bad impression. Let's take a quick look at an example job application letter. Notice how the application clearly states their interests, highlights relevant experience, and keeps the tone professional and engaging. And that's it. Writing a strong job application letter can be your ticket to securing an interview. I hope this guide helps you craft a letter express employers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job application.